All right, good morning, everyone. We're on YouTube. We're here continuing with the February 7th, 2022 docket. And I see Mr. Trevino there and Mr. Ventine on the screen. We're here on CL 203339D, Chance Ventine versus Adrian Guerra. And this is appears to be an appeal from JP Court. All right, Mr. Ventine, good morning, sir. Can you please unmute?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Do you have an attorney?
I do not have an attorney, and if Mrs. Guerra has an attorney, I want to object because she submitted false evidence of payments. I have not received a single payment from the Guerras since 2 years ago of November, and that's the reason why her last attorney recused himself, was because of the submission of false evidence.
All right. Then Mr. Trevino,
Judge,
you're representing who is it? Melissa Guerra or Adrian Guerra or both?
both parties, Judge. We've been
Melissa.
statements from the bank where they have made some cash app payments to Mr. Vantine. So I don't know what he's talking about, but I just got hired here Friday afternoon. At this time, I need to look at what all we have and then proceed to trial. I mean, if the payments have been made, they've been made.
Okay, when you say payments have been made, you mean you caught up or you just making certain payments?
I don't know what payments Mr. Vantine is talking about, because in his letter, he has several frauds have been committed, but he doesn't have anything for any particular months. And according to my clients, they're paid up through April.
Which April? April 2022?
Correct.
That's a flat lie.
Well,
Okay. And when they make payments, who do they make payments to? To the bank, you said?
yeah, well, I saw some kind of type of receipts that were provided to me, and they're made to an Andrew Vantine. I don't know who.
That's me.
Okay, that's him. Then, yeah, and we've got some statements from the bank that shows the cash apps being made to Mr. Andrew Vantine.
Okay.
Unless the bank is lying, I don't know how they would be.
They must be doctored. That's all I have to say.
What I need is some time, Judge, to go through all of this stuff. And I don't have any specific allegations from what days or what months my clients are behind on their rents. So I'm just looking at that letter that he provided to the court back on, or filed with the court back on January of 2022.
Who filed that letter?
Those were my Cash App statements, Your Honor, so you can see that they don't match up whatsoever with these Cash App receipts that have like $500 in the background, right? And then overimposed is the amount of money that she claims that she had paid.
I see a $3,200 dollar payment, $1,600 receipt. So, like I said, Judge, I was just hired.
How much are the payments supposed to be per month?
$1,600.
$1,600 a month?
Yep. And Your Honor, I mean, she's been using this as like a vacation home because she lives in Houston. She doesn't even live in this house. The house has been used as a vacation home for family and friends from Mexico.
I really have no idea on that, Judge, but the $3,200 payment that was made to Mr. Vantine were for rents from June and July 2020. I'm thinking those were when they were behind, maybe. This petition was filed back on, I'm trying to figure out when it was filed. It was back, I believe. So payments have been made. I mean, money has been exchanged, according to the information that I have, Judge. And we're just asking for some more time to verify, provide everything for Mr. Vantine, and also get a little bit of discovery from his accounts to see if any of those monies were actually deposited into his accounts for the times that we have those receipts.
Mr. Van Dyne,
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
in this case, you're going to be asking number one for eviction, and then you're going to ask for past payments as well that are due?
Yes, she owes me $44,800.
I believe $1,000 cash bond in the court's registry.
Okay, yeah, that was the appeal bond, right?
Yes. And
Yeah,
then
okay.
what was the
40? Yeah.
That's 28 payments of $1,600.
$28 payments of $1,600. You mean there's been no payments for the last 28 months?
That's correct, since October of 2019.
So Trevino, what numbers are you talking about?
Well, Judge, I'm talking about some bank statements that I was provided from Wells Fargo, and the ones that I just got to look at like here pretty quick. You know, there was a Cash App from Andrew Van Dyne on December 11th for $1,600. It was a withdrawal. And on the statement is a transaction history from Wells Fargo.
What
And
year?
I'm trying to figure out what year, but you said they haven't made a payment at all, so it doesn't matter. It's not accurate. If payments were made, then your representation is not accurate. If you're saying they haven't made a payment at all. Then there's another Cash App authorized transfer to Mr. Andrew Van Dyne on November 11th for $3,200.
November 11, 2019, right?
I'm trying to find the year.
Well, what I'm trying to do here is if I'm going to do a judgment on the matter here, I need to have like the exact number so I can either credit the credit some amount to the 44,000 or what's it going to be? I need to know those numbers. I need to know what exactly it is. So, Mr. Trevino, you're going to be doing some discovery again with each other there? I mean, you're going to have to.
Yes, I mean,
I
I
need a
have
number.
these statements. Now, I don't have a problem submitting them or forwarding them to.
If I don't have an amount, I might say you win eviction, but zero amount. Would you like that, Mr. Valentine? Mr. Valentine?
No.
Well, let's see. I don't know. There's numbers going left and right. I need to know exact numbers. What's going on here? One's 44,000, one's payments here, payments there, whatnot. I need the exact numbers. Otherwise, you'll win eviction, but zero amount. I don't know what it is. I need some good numbers from you too, Mr. Valentine. I need something for you all to submit to the court. I need the evidence.
I submitted evidence, my statements from Cash App, right, showing that those payments were false. That I had no payments from Cash App.
Okay. All right. I just want to warn everybody here that I don't want false stuff here because there's going to be some criminal matters here. I don't want to mix that with the civil case here.
I went to the police and filed a police report, and they refused to take it. They said it was a civil matter, that it was not criminal.
Right, but if I put you under oath and you're going to tell me some stuff or not put the girls under oath, then it becomes a civil matter for somebody's lying.
And
so I want those, what?
In the discovery, we're going to ask for that information that Mr. Van Dyne has that shows that they're fraud to match up with our bank statements and see where the misunderstanding is.
I'll give you guys another month. Give me another month, please.
No, I mean, let's just get it over with. If we can get her out in like 5 days, 3 to 5 days. I can't.
If you want some numbers, I need to have something concrete here. I cannot just out of the blue skies pick a number, pick there or guess like, yes, you did, no, you didn't, or yes, you received, no. I mean, I don't know.
But she's been able to delay this, for 20 some months using, my home as a vacation home.
We know that already. And she doesn't live there, you said. That's fine. I understand that. But I need a month to get numbers correct here. You all exchange each other some amounts and figure out what it is.
We'll send Mr. Valentine or whatever we have on the statements from the bank. That way he can verify with his bank where the money actually went to. They're sent out to him. It's his name on there. But at the same time, we would like that discovery from Mr. Valentine where he's alleging that there was some fraud. Maybe not fraud on my client, maybe fraud on somebody else. I don't know. I started looking at this case and I mean, it's just not sense what Mr. Valentine is saying.
All right, gentlemen, March 1st, 10 a.m. March 1st, 10 a.m. I know you're frustrated. If I was a property owner, I'd be frustrated too. But I want to give you a correct judgment here.
Thank
March
you.
1st, 10 a.m. Make sure you all exchange information, okay? If you refuse to exchange information, that's going to delay things even more. So just be frank and be honest and give each other the numbers. We need numbers.
That's what we're going to do. Thank you.
It says iPhone. I don't know what.
Well, he's going to send you some discovery, Mr. Valentine, where you need to respond to his answers, his questions. He's going to propound some questions. You need to respond truthfully because you're going to sign there where you're saying they're truth and correct. Okay?
I have no reason to lie.
All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. March 1st.